Dyma'r bas ymlaen, Taylor Crosdale yn glir, o gwmpas Besi, beth fydd lliw y cerdyn fan hyn. A mae'r coch allan, ac Oliver Besi yn dim ond I ail ymddangosiad I Aberystwyth yn cael ei ddanfon o'r ca am lorio Martel Taylor Crosdale. Does dim gol geidwad gan Aberystwyth ar y fainc. A Jonathan Evans, fe sy'n cymryd y crys oren a'r menig. Jonathan Evans rhwng y pist. Taylor Crosdale ar ei drod fe, o mae'n cael ei harbed yn gampus gan Jonathan Evans. Evans yr arwr yn mynd i'w chwith. A Brwsesi yn erbyn Wwlham. Mae heibio I Wwlham, a'r cyffyrddiad gan Hawkins! O, chwip o groesiad gan Rhys a Brwsesi, ond peniad hyfryd gan Dan Hawkins. Aber yn clirio dros dro. Bydd eto Hwlffordd yn reoli canol ca, pas dda! Taylor Crosdale, o, mae'n I methu'r target. Martel Taylor Crosdale yn methu cic o'r smotyn yn yr hanner cynta ac yn methu cyfle eiraidd I ddyblu mantais yr adar gleision. Martel Taylor Crosdale yn dal y bêl I fyny. Y canafan yn llithro mewn, a mae'r bêl dal gan Corey Shepherd. Mae'n dod o hyd i'r sgoriwr Hawkins. Hawkins yn helpu'r bêl yma. Taylor Crosdale! Dim cam sefyll y tro hwn. A nawr mae'r prif sgoriwr yn rhwydo ac yn dyblu mantais Hwlffordd. 9fed gol y tymor i'r prif sgoriwr yn curo Jonathan Evans. Maen nhw dal I bwyso a dau allan ar y dde fan hyn. A dyma Fawcett, a'r bêl yn cael ei harbed, oddi ar y linell ac heibio'r postyn. Gan Kai Whitmore am ddiffyn arwrol gan Aberystwyth. Lawr I 10 dyn. Ddim yn ildio'r drydedd.
Tony, a first win since Boxing Day and a crucial 3 points in the race for 7th place.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. Yeah, it's tough at the minute. You know, we're low on confidence, and you know, it's 3 points and a clean sheet, and we move on to the next game. But you know, we needed a win, and we needed it quickly, and thankfully, it's come tonight.
Rhys, many congratulations on the 3 points. From a player's point of view, how important was it that you won that game tonight?
Yeah, of course, we've had a few results where we just haven't got over the line with the 3 points, but today now hopefully that kicks us on and we can get a few more before the end of the season. Anthony,
let's start with the sending off of Oliver Besi. From your position, is it a red card?
I've probably sat on loads of referee meetings and did the questions. I haven't got everything right myself, so I don't know the rules. If it's double jeopardy, if it's not, I don't know. It's so I'm not going to sit here and complain about it. We were well in the game in the first 15 minutes. We had a few good chances to score, and then obviously the sending off changes the game.
Jonathan Evans was selected in goal. What was the thinking behind that?
Probably hadn't looked at it really in terms of depth who was going to go in. I had a kind of idea, but do you know what, he's gone in, any goalkeeper going in, it wouldn't be any different. I think he made some great saves. He's done really well.
You dominated possession in the second half, created a host of chances, but only scored 1.
Yeah, it's disappointing. You know, we'd like to score more, especially against Johnny in goals. You know, no disrespect to Johnny, but you know, he's made a couple of saves and his handling's been quite good. And he saved a penalty, so like I said, our confidence hasn't been that high, so we'll take a win however it comes, and tonight, thankfully it came tonight.
Games are running out in a fortnight. It's Colwyn Bay away. Is it a must not lose game?
I suppose you could say that, yeah. I think if you look at the last season, I think we have 4 points adrift going into a game like tonight, and that's the stage of the season, so we've been there before. We've done it with the t-shirt. We're big enough, we're strong enough, we know what we can do. I've got enough in that dressing room to go on and compete in every game, and yeah, it's rolling series up and it's stand up and counted time.
And in terms of the race for 7th place, it looks as if it's going all the way to the last game.
Yeah, of course, we know the teams in and around us are very good teams. They're not going to give up. Neither are us, so, you know, good battle.
And Rhys, many congratulations on your selection for Cymru C on Tuesday night. Yourself and Lee Jenkins from Haverfordwest. You must be looking forward to the challenge.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Obviously happy to be called up for the first time. Just go and enjoy the experience and see what happens.